Hi, everyone. Got ourselves a fresh to the floor 2026 Street Bob Solo. So they offer the Street Bob in two different models. Well, not two different models. I mean, they're the same model, but one runs with a solo seat and it's only offered in one color, which is this one right here, Billiard Gray. That LED headlight, LED turn signals, both front and back. These bikes come with a 117 cubic inch motor, which, my God. Um, 6-speed transmission, ABS, security, cruise control, traction control. That's right, cruise control on a Street Bob. Um, this one will also have the ride mode, so you have a rain mode, a road mode, and a sport mode. Only difference between this, the Street Bob Solo, is, you guessed it, it has a solo seat. LED turn signals out back as well. Super fun bikes. Come on down and check it out. Grab a seat on it. We're at Vandervest Harley-Davidson, 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.